Hello friends, welcome to Samail Darbar. Today I'm going to show you how to make red lentils pasta from scratch without any pasta machine. It'll be super yum and it is a very healthy recipe. Usually they will do it with wheat flour or maida. Today I'm going to show you a healthy recipe with red lentils. I'm going to grind red lentils 1 cup into a smooth powder, and then I'm going to sieve it, and then I'm going to add half cup of wheat flour. You can even substitute masoor dal or red lentils with moong dal. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. I've soaked it for 15 minutes in water. This will give a nice texture to the pasta and it is very healthy too. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon salt with it and 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use olive oil or any other oil. And I'm adding half a cup of water little by little to make a soft dough. Now the dough is ready, and set aside this for around 10 minutes. Close it and set aside. Now in a worktop, you can take half of the dough and then roll it with a rolling pin. This should not be too thin or too thick. If it is too thick, the pasta won't taste good, and if it is too thin, the pasta will break in water. So please ensure that it is not too thin or too thick. It should be in this thickness. And then now I'm going to cut the sides and make it into a square shape, and then cut it into thin stripes like this. Now set aside the stripes. Now the pasta is ready. Now I'm going to show you how to make the pasta. Let us cook the pasta. So for that I have taken 3 cups of water and I have added 1 teaspoon salt and added the pastas, and we are going to cook this for around 15 minutes. Now the color has changed and it has cooked nicely. We'll set aside in a colander. Set this aside in a colander, and then in a separate pan I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can even use the normal sunflower oil or refined oil. Now I'm adding 2 flakes of garlic, 2 garlic flakes. I've chopped it into small pieces, and then fry the garlic for some time till the raw smell goes. And then I'm adding 1 small onion. I've cut it into a lengthwise, and then I'm adding half capsicum, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt for the veggies. Now I have added 1 carrot, and I have added cooked corn kernels, half cup. I've cooked it before adding it to the other veggies. Now the veggies are ready. Now set aside. Now I'm going to show you how to make bechamel sauce for this. So I've added 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of wheat flour, that is white sauce I'm going to make. So fry it till the raw smells of the flour goes away. Keep it in the low flame and then do it, otherwise lumps will form, so be careful in it. And then I'm adding 1 cup of milk to it. Keep the flame in low to medium, and then stir it continuously. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of basil and 1 teaspoon of oregano each, or you can even add 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs. Now I'm going to put the cooked pasta, and then we're going to mix it together, and I'm going to add the veggies which we cooked earlier, and then mix it together. Now I'm going to add mozzarella cheese, 3/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. Now the pasta is ready. See how yummy it is and very healthy too. Please try this recipe, it will taste yum. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the bell button for more updates. Thank you.